Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush.
Well, go on, people. What's good? What's great? I hope you have a fantastic time wherever you are in the world, whether it's day or night. Yeah, man. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Island Style Kitchen. And if you're already a subscriber, big up yourself and welcome back. Yes, today we're there in the kitchen again. And today, I'm teach you how to make a green juice. The green juice here is a cucumber green apple juice. It's basically a cucumber juice, but I'm using green apples to sweeten the juice. I'm not going to put any sugar in it. So this juice that we're going to make today, it has only 3 simple ingredients, which is green apples, cucumber, and ginger. I am going to throw a few celery in there because I like the taste of celery, but it's optional. You don't have to put it in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash all of the ingredients them and cut off what we cut off, and then we just run them through the juicer, and then we show you the juice there. Alright, so we'll just go and stay tuned and enjoy Island Style Kitchen. In the meantime, just do the right thing, you know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Island Style Kitchen. Just stay tuned. Yeah, so I get into it right now. Cut off if you cut off, and dash off if you dash off, and wash off if you wash off. Yeah, man, and you see the Ziploc bag them in the background. And watch my Ziploc bag them, you know. You understand? Right now, you have to recycle. So me wash out my Ziploc bag and use them again. Me not the money for buying a Ziploc bag every time you go to the store. So we just wash them out and dry them out and use them. That's it. So you can try that and save $1. You understand? Alright, people, you don't know. I have to wash the vegetables properly, you know. Wash off all the dirt off of them and any little bugs. And then we have to wash them off good. And like now, we're killing them. So, if you're going to have a juicer, you should invest into a good juicer, which is a big mouth juicer. Because these vegetables and fruits, I don't have to cut them. I could just put them straight in the juicer, just the way they are. I saw the apples at the store and sealed, so I decided that I'm going to make cucumber juice. So I just buy a whole bag of apple and buy half dozen cucumber. I'm going to run them through the juicer, you know, this juice is very good for you to drink. It relaxes your stomach. So I have all the vegetables washed and clean. So now I'm going to start the juicing process. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yes, people, watch how bad the juicer is. 4 apple not dropping out one time.
Maybe gonna play this up. You see these shoes by your feet, your cologne they smell sweet, and your car way unique. Would you throw water in at the tank? You not dig your grave with your teeth. Respect what you eat, cause life is sweet. Make food come first. All them wipe up and a up on. Them say them wicked and them tough, but me food come first. Heads of state and my people, baby gonna please listen up. Oh, if you wear the best, and I eat the worst. Consuming beer starch and poison. Mother Earth bushy Island style weed and rum. When we jam the fat, that means she just get me some rock and push in a woulda kill her with.
Like I said before, the 3 main ingredients in this juice is the cucumber, the green apple, and the ginger. The celery, I added to it. It's optional. You don't have to put celery in it. I just like the taste of celery. That's the reason why I put it in there. And you can add anything else you want to add to your juice. Yes. So see the people, we are come to the end of the juicing now. We have 1 apple left. So we're throwing the juicer now. We'll close off this section. Alright, so we reach the end of the juice processor now, so I'm going to taste this juice and see how I go and feel. Yeah, very refreshing, tastes good, but I think you want a little more ginger people, so
Island Style Kitchen is the best because to the food them.
If you notice and follow my videos, people, you can see that ginger is very high in my diet. So, you know, ginger very good for your turmeric, all of them root in there. One, them up and juice.
All them my pop and a pop and set them wicked and them come. We food come from America, Caribbean and the people please listen up. Oh, we food are the best.
Alright, so people, I'm going to do a second taste test now. I'm going to add some more ginger to it, and this is what I want.
When me jam the part, that means she just get bust. She now would a killer with me, so me see them
mix up
me
everything at
product,
the
me
end.
not just Monsanto.
Yes,
Me food come first.
Alright, so here you have it, people. Cucumber juice.
Cause we food come first. America, China, Japan, Caribbean, no listen. Look how the dogs and the crooks say Ascolema. They want a machete and a farm, make
cucumber juice.
bust them shut. And I tell them, oh, what's nice.
We have to try the cucumber juice.
That's why the
Cucumber juice contains a lot of antioxidants. Cucumber juice here with blood pressure, it lower your blood sugar, and hydrate your body. There's a bunch of different health benefits. You can go Google search it for yourself and find out all the things the cucumber juice good for. Anything green, good for you. But I also use this green juice for is to blend my green smoothies because I don't use milk. If you watch my videos, you hear me say that I don't eat or drink dairy products. I use the cucumber juice or celery juice to blend my green smoothie. I have a smoothie coming out named the Green Machine. So look out for that smoothie. I'll probably drop that video by the end of this week or by next week, Monday. But sometime next week, look out for it. It's called the Green Machine smoothie. That smoothie, when you drink it, you lean and mean like a machine. Alright? John, come here.
Be careful what you're taking for your meal. And
Come drink some of this.
problem
It's good for you.
in the equation.
Taste it.
At the simple math for us to overstand. If you eat garbage, you are go in a dip pan. Then boom, bang, bang, you end up in a
Yeah, you might drink more, it's good for you. Yeah?
Big up Island Style Kitchen. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Also, hit all notifications.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I hope you learned something from that video. And if you like the video, I want you to give the video a like. I want you to leave a comment and give me a feedback on what you think about the video on this juice. Also, share it with family members and friends so it could help somebody else in the future. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, man. See the subscribe button? Please hit the subscribe button. The red button right here, it says subscribe. So hit the button. Yeah, man. Thank you guys very much for watching. And stay safe. Wherever you are, one love. See you on the next episode of Island Style Kitchen.